and welcome back to my channel. Sakafet. Hope everybody is doing well. To all my subscribers, thank you. And if you're new to this channel, welcome, darling. So guys, today we are doing a wash day routine. If you know me, you probably have heard me say that wash days are not my best days. I'm actually just coming from the shower. That's why I'm looking a bit dry, so I'm just gonna use my vitamin E cream to just like put some little moisture on my face because I really looking dry just now. Okay, so we're not looking so dry again. Anyhow, to start off my wash day routine, I normally start off with my Detangling pre-poo. I've already spoken about this product. To be quite honest, I like this product. Let me tell you why. I think the aloe in this product is making my hair somewhat get a rough texture afterwards. I actually tried aloe in my hair and it did that to my hair. And I didn't like the way, maybe I did something wrong, but I honestly did not like the feel of it on my hair. But one of the things I find is that it strengthens my hair. So I love this detangler. It's aloe and coconut water. I use this as well as my detangling brush that I've already spoken about these two things already. And I go ahead and I detangle my hair and then I move on to shampoo. So for the while I've been using my Aussie Moist shampoo, but I decided to try a few of the main choice products and currently I'm using this one. So I'm using the Easy on the Curls Detangling Hydration Shampoo, Natural Growth and Retention Solution, as well as their conditioner, as well as the hair butter, and I'm also trying out the hair vitamin. So step by step, first of all, these two products. Now I really like this shampoo. This shampoo is infused with biotin and vitamin E. Now my hair is very low in porosity. So you see, for example, I just come from the shower, my hair is wet but it looks dry. Like, can you see how dry it looks? But it's actually wet. It's wet. My hair is just very low in porosity, and like, bros, that's just for hair. That's just how it is. That's just how our hair is. But this now this is supposed to be a hydration shampoo, and one of the things I can swear by is telling you, when you wash your hair with this, it's not gonna strip your hair of the moisture, this is one of the reasons why I love this product. I wash my hair and my hair does not feel like it's stripped, like it's dry, and it's just harder to deal with when it feels like that. And this shampoo does not do that. The biotin in the shampoo, now you know biotin is a vitamin B. It's in a lot of our foods like spinach, eggs, sweet potatoes. Like, it's just it's in a lot of our foods, some of our nuts and so forth. But what happened, biotin is very good for your skin. It's good for your hair growth, your nails. It helps stimulate hair growth. So most times people are suffering from thinning hair, it's because they have a lack of biotin. So this is really good that it's infused with biotin, because it's gonna help stimulate growth, and as well as vitamin E. You know, I was just using my vitamin E cream. I use vitamin E on my skin a lot. I also have my vitamin oil, but vitamin E as well is very good for your skin. Like, I think that's supposed to be common knowledge by now, that vitamin E is the boss for skin. In the end, like, you know, you're taking good care of your scalp and you're taking good care of your hair. I think that these products, I recommend these products. You're getting 8 ounces, but like, it's good. It's really good. After I'm done doing my shampoo and my conditioner, but today I only did shampoo because I'm actually deep conditioning, because what happened is my hair was just in crochet and then I braided, and so now I just need my hair to get some deep conditioning. Deep conditioning is something that is mandatory for people that have low porosity hair, because your hair is constantly dry. The more you moisturize it, the more it's dry. So you just have to be, you know, somewhat consistent with deep conditioning, at least weekly or whatnot. I'm not telling you that, listen, I'm struggling, like, pray for me. I really need to keep my deep conditioning. But for deep conditioning, I use Camille Rose Algae Renew. It has cocoa and mango butter. It says a vitamin packed moisturizing and strengthening treatment infused with blue-green algae. Blue-green algae is very good if you have low porosity hair. So based on my research, blue-green algae, for example, helps in regrowth. If you have low porosity, helps in water balance. The minerals infused in it helps with water balance. So it's just very good overall if you have low porosity hair. This is very good. I really like the feel of this on my hair, and it has also one of my favorite oils, peppermint oil. I just don't know, I absolutely love peppermint oil. The freshness on your scalp, you just cannot beat that. And this is the consistency, so thick it is. It's not gonna like, it's very thick. I'm just gonna section up my hair now and just continue putting this product everywhere through my hair. Now I'm just gonna tell you, this is no fancy sharing. I just need to get a line so I could deliver my hair in some smaller sections, because if your hair is fussy, like this is the result. Do you see this? This is the result. Do you see it? It ties, it knots, it like brush. That's what it does. That's what it's good at. Now I usually take the deep conditioner, start from roots. So I start from my roots and then I drag down to my tip. Ensure that I coat everywhere. Like I used to focus so much before on my ends, and I kind of used to forget my roots. So now I kind of just take it step by step. So I ensure that this product goes everywhere in my hair, and you can see it's not about defining your curls, because my hair is not responding curl wise, it's just crimbling back up. But this is not the process of this. This is, oh, the freshness that you feel on your scalp. Take the other one and I just continue like doing that process, root to tip. Just make sure that I bring this down. If your hair is fussy, people, like, you need to take your time with your hair and just be patient. That's why I don't like wash day routines, because it's like so much of a long routine for me to like get my hair in a place where it's manageable. I take my brush and just ensure that that goes through. Everywhere in my hair, once it's coated, I just go ahead and I give that a plait in two. And there you go, one down. Spray bottle. Oh my god, I love, look at this, look at this. I love the spray, like I just love it so much. But I use my spray bottle and just ensure that my hair is moist. So guys, I'm gonna continue doing this to all of my hair, and then I'm gonna get right back to you guys. Conditioner, and my next step after that is to go in with my hair butter. Now the butter that I'm using for moisturizer is continuing in the line. This doesn't get much, but this thing right there, let me show you the consistency. So it's very thick. You can see that it's very thick. If I put it in my hand, you can see how thick it is. It's very thick. The very first time I use this, I kind of use a bit too much, because what happened is it takes a little while before it dissolves into your hair. So it kind of like tricked me a bit. The next morning when I wake up, my hair was like really moisturized, but really greasy as well. I would advise you not to use so much on your sections, even though it feels as if like it's not moisturized enough. It is actually. So after I put in my butter, I seal with my argan oil. I absolutely love argan oil. It goes very well with my hair. And then I do this through all my sections, usually cut them in a bit smaller. And then after that, I grease my scalp. Black castor oil, Jamaican black castor oil, because my castor oil from back home I'm actually out of this bottle as well. You can see that I have nothing left in it. I take 2 drops of my peppermint oil and I just dump that in my scalp to just get my scalp, you know, stimulated and all this good stuff from peppermint oil. And then I usually close with my wild growth oil in all of my scalp. So that is my process. Do you see that? Do you see how my hair just goes back in? Now we don't like shrinkage, but like shrinkage shows us how much our hair have absorbed the water, which is very good. My hair feels light, it smells good. It's just it's a nice feel. My hair tips are so important. At this point I usually don't do any detangling. I just like plait my hair, but you see this, my hair is very light, fluffy, and so my curls are responding, if you could see. After this I just seal with my argan oil. So I put a little bit on my hand and I just go in and I just seal in all that moisture. And then I plait this little one and put it aside because we're done with this one. I usually go in with my small tooth comb and I just like detangle my ends to take out any excess knot. But yeah, other than that, I just go ahead and I just plait it down. This is day 2, okay, post my wash day. The second day my hair basically remained in the twist. I was indoors, so I did not bother it. And then today I went out, filmed the vlog. It was so fun. And now I'm just getting back. I'm super tired, but I'm just gonna show you how I take down my hair. So you see, like, it's very fluffy, it's very bouncy, and I like my hair when it's like that because it's easy to manage. But to take down my hair, I obviously don't go to bed like that. I use my spray bottle. I give my hair at least 1 spray. I don't like wet it excessively. And then I go in with a little bit of my Camille Rose moisturizer, this one. And then I plait everything over again, but this time I just do it in like big plaits, like plaiting free, so I can get it stretched out. And that's basically what I do. I don't do anything more than that. Yeah guys, sorry for using my vlog camera guys, but you know, that's just how it is sometimes. So see you the next day. So hi there guys, again it's another day. I'm just gonna show you the process of me taking down these plaits. As I said before, I keep my hair in plaits like this because that's the only way my hair could retain moisture. And even though sometimes it looks dry from just watching the plaits, I can guarantee you that my hair is very much, my hair is even very greasy, my hair is very much moisturized. So I would take down the plaits. Take down every plait, I detangle, and then after detangling I do a soft twist. The reason why I put back my hair in twist is because I don't want to leave my hair out in the open, so it can kind of like shrink back on me. You can see right now it's kind of like in a it's almost like somewhat stretched, like you know, I honestly do not like using heat on my hair. If you've not seen my no blowout video, you can check that down. I will link it down below, but this is exactly how I stretch out my hair. So if I want to style, I go ahead and I take down every twist afterwards. And I would give my hair gel if my hair required gel or anything. So guys, this is basically it. Full wash day process, how I get my hair to be stretched out from wash day, and how I get my hair to be almost like in a stretched out version to go towards styling. Now I'm actually gonna do I'm gonna do some kind of like nice natural hairstyle, so look out for the next video. But this is it for this natural hair video. Check out the next video for this cute hairstyle. Yes, go on to the next video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your bell notification. Thank you once more. Catch you in the next one.